lithium-ion battery. All right, guys, we're going to put this back on. We got it all cleaned up and prepped, and we should be ready to go. Luke, take her away.
So we're going to take some of this gasket maker here to fill in any of the cracks that are around.
Run yourself, and now we want to do the whole thickness of that. There you go. Maybe cut a little more off that. What do you think? Here, clean your knife off.
It's clean.
There you go. Perfect. You go right ahead and do that, and I'll follow behind and smooth it out. How's that? See what we want, bud?
Yep. Get out of your way there.
Tell you what, I hope it seals up, you know what I mean? That is just about the right amount. I normally don't like to put RTV on something, but I am worried about the side of this holding up, because you guys saw how rough that was. But we don't want to put an excessive amount. Alright, Luke, here's your gasket. Go on good?
Yeah.
Okay, kind of put it where you think you need it. All right. You like it?
Just smashing it down some.
Yeah. Are you
It
ready?
should be centered good.
Okay. Get them all started before we... Oh, wait a minute. No. No, I think we'll be fine. We don't need gasket maker on the other side. Go ahead and start them all. Of course, that could bite us in the ass too, you know. Okay. Go. Don't get it so far apart, see? There you go. Nice. There we go. So, we'll go ahead and get that finished up right there. Looks pretty good. We'll bring you back when we're ready to put on the governor.